Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Ade Irma Agustian, NPM 220130101049 dari Prodi Akuntansi. Saya akan menjelaskan materi bahasa Inggris tentang past tense. In short, the past tense is used to describe activities or situation that happened in the past. Consider the following example. I wrote a letter to my friend. Ini menunjukkan aktivitas di masa lampau. Yang kedua yaitu I'm hungry. Ini adalah situasi di masa lampau. Past tense divided into several types, namely yang pertama yaitu simple past tense. Tense are the form of verb or verb used in an English sentence. However, the verb can change according to the time it is used. As we know, everyone will know be told sometime. The relation is in order actually describe the situation in a story. You must understand the use tense. The simple past tense is a tense to show an action that happened in the past and was complete at a certain time in the past. The simple past tense and with ed for regular verb, while irregular verb have different form. The characteristic of the simple past tense. What are the characteristic of the simple past tense? Yang pertama yaitu simple past tense or simple past always use verb to of regular verb or irregular verb to indicates that activity occurred in the past. Yang kedua yaitu there is the use of was for singular pronouns, namely I, he, she, it, and where. For plural pronouns such as we, you, they, as to be past tense. Has are verb to time that explain the past, such as last night, yesterday, 2 weeks ago, 3 days ago, and last month. Next, berikut adalah rumus dari simple past tense. Kalimat positif, subject, contohnya seperti I, you, they, we, she, he, it, plus verb to, plus object, plus adverb. Kalimat negatif, subject, plus did not, plus verb 1, plus object, plus adverb. Kalimat tanya, did, plus subject, plus verb 1, plus object, plus adverb. Contoh dari adverb sendiri ini, yang pertama yesterday, kemarin, just now, this night, years ago, and last night or last week or tepat. Example of sentence. Kalimat past tense positif, I was a teacher, aku dulu seorang guru. She was fat, dia dulu gemuk. They were rich, dulu mereka kaya. Kalimat past tense negatif, I was not fat, aku dulu tidak gemuk. She was not sick yesterday, dia sakit kemarin. We were not tired, kita tidak capek kemarin. Kalimat past tense interrogatif atau tanya, was she so busy, apakah dulu dia sangat sibuk. Were they happy to work here, apakah dulu mereka senang bekerja di sini. Were you late to come to the office, apakah dulu kamu terlambat datang ke kantor. Next, yang kedua yaitu past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is a tense to express an event or event that was happening in the past during a certain time. This form of tense indicates that an action may occur before, during, and may continue after another action in the past. So the past continuous tense is a form of sentence that this is interrupted by another event and can also be combined with other event at the same time. The characteristic of the past continuous tense. Yang pertama yaitu because the time when it happened was in the past continuous tense is always followed by the auxiliary verb be in the form of was or were. Yang kedua, was is used for subject he, she, it, or singular. Yang ketiga, were is used for subject I, you, they, we, or plural. Yang keempat, the verb used is the present participle or verb 1 because it includes the progressive tense. Yang terakhir yaitu the present participle used in the past continuous tense is the verb ing or the grown. Berikut adalah rumus dari past continuous tense. Kalimat positif subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object plus adverb. Kalimat negatif subject plus was or were and not plus verb ing and plus object plus adverb. Kalimat tanya was plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus adverb. Atau was or were plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus adverb. Contoh dari adverb yaitu when, while, and at 5 o'clock. Example of sentence. Kalimat positif he was traveling to Venice. Dia dulu sedang berlibur ke Venice. She was eating a burger. Dia dulu sedang makan burger. Kalimat negatif he was not sleeping. Dia dulu tidak sedang tidur. The people were not waiting. Mereka dulu tidak sedang menunggu. Kalimat interrogatif atau kalimat tanya was he buying a book? Apakah dia dulu sedang membeli sebuah buku? Were the people playing tennis? Apakah orang-orang dulu sedang bermain tenis? Next. Yang selanjutnya yaitu past perfect tense. The definition of past perfect tense is a change in the form of the verb to describe that there was an action in the past that was complete before another action. Accurate. Usually the moment of another action in the past perfect tense can be told specifically. In addition, actions that have been complicated in the past can occur repeatedly or only once. You can also use the past perfect tense to tell about an event that happened in the past and when also completed the past. The characteristic of the past perfect tense. 1. Reveal an event that has occurred or completed in the past. Yang kedua yaitu more fixated on event than time. Selanjutnya, in the past perfect tense, the predicates use had plus past participle. Yang terakhir, adverb of time are used in past perfect tense after, before, just, 2 months ago, as soon as. Berikut adalah rumusnya. Kalimat positif subject plus had plus verb 3 and plus object plus adverb. Kalimat negatif subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb. Kalimat tanya had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object plus adverb. Contoh dari adverb yaitu before, after, dan when. Contoh kata dari past perfect tense. Yang pertama, kalimat positif when I arrived in the Jakarta. Rara had already returned to Bandung. Ketika saya di Jakarta, Rara sudah kembali ke Bandung. Kalimat negatif, she had not studied Japanese before she moved to Japan. Dia tidak belajar bahasa Jepang sebelum dia pindah ke Jepang. Kalimat tanya, had your father watched the movie before they gone home? Apakah ayahmu sudah menonton film ketika mereka pulang? Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is a tense or verb formed to express an action with a continuous duration of time, or an event that was start and it is going in the past but is no longer happening now. In essence, the past perfect continuous tense is used to tell an event or action that start in the past, happened in the past, and also finish in the period of time in the past. Selanjutnya yaitu the characteristic of the past perfect continuous tense. The characteristic of the past perfect continuous tense are the sentence predicates that are often used in this tense form in the form had plus been plus present participle. Next, rumus dari past perfect continuous tense ini adalah yang pertama kalimat positif subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object plus adverb. Yang selanjutnya kalimat negatif subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object plus adverb. Kalimat tanya atau kalimat interrogatif had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object plus adverb. Contoh dari adverb yaitu for, before, for, when, and after, for. Yang selanjutnya yaitu contoh kata dari past perfect continuous tense. Kalimat positif, Rasya had been working at the International Hospital for 5 years when he got the promotion. Rasya telah bekerja di rumah sakit internasional selama 5 tahun ketika dia mendapatkan promosi. Yang negatif, kalimat negatif, Lia had not been playing before she finished her exam. Lia tidak telah sedang bermain sebelum dia menyelesaikan ujiannya. Yang terakhir yaitu kalimat tanya atau kalimat interrogatif. Had Alfie been working? Apakah Alfie telah sedang bekerja? Sekian dari saya. Terima kasih.